Welcome back to our special after-school session of our next item. We've got our special guest, Leo the Lion.
Her.
And my daughter, who's controlling him. So you're going to hear her voice and see her hands once in a while.
And Leo.
And Leo. All right, so where we last left off, we talked about the transversal and the angle pairs. And this is just kind of a quick overview from your notes from before. The transversal, as you will recall, is this line here that's intersecting two or more other lines. And we created 5 different types of angle pairs. We had same side interior, same side exterior, alternate interior, alternate exterior, and corresponding angles. When we talked about these, however, we didn't really care what those lines that were being intersected by the transversal were doing. They could, those. They could be parallel or intersecting. As long as they were different from each other, we didn't care.
Oh.
Today, we're going to talk about what happens when the transversal intersects a parallel line.
So we're gonna talk about what we didn't care about?
Right. Now we're going to care. We're going to be very specific about those 2 lines and how they're related to each other.
Got it. Good deal.
Good deal. Okay, so take a moment and pause the video in just a moment. Make sure that you don't leave a space for KWL, so this assignment will not have a KWL for it, for the one before it, because it's just leading up to this one. So pause the video now, make sure that you write the title and the objectives, and it's always there listed right over here on the right-hand side of your screen, just under the La Feria logo.
Wait, that's in the video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Welcome back. You should already have the title and the objectives written down, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm in the main section of my notes. So before, when we were talking about transversals, we didn't care what the 2 lines were doing. But now we're going to be very specific about what the lines are doing. Well, let's get everything out of frame. Get out of frame, please. That way you can focus on the writing.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Ah.
There we go. All right, so when the lines that are being intersected.
You spelled that wrong.
I did.
Derp.
By the transversal.
That's why we have a pencil. Right, Mom?
That's right.
So use a pencil.
When the lines being intersected by the transversal are parallel to each other, the angle pairs form special angle measure relationships.
What does that mean? Special angle measure relationships, Mom?
That means that their measurements have a special relationship to each other. They're either going to be equal to each other, meaning the angles will be congruent, or the measures are going to add up to 180 degrees, meaning that they're supplementary to each other.
So they're not going to be like, so they're not going to be like, so they're not going to be all like that. They're either going to be like this or all like this.
Or all like crazy. That's right. I'm going to go ahead and erase this because I need this writing spot.
Yeah.
But you're exactly right. That's exactly what's going to happen.
And I just did random lines.
And thank you for being prepared with my highlighter. I ended up needing it.
You're welcome.
Yes. All right. Let's look at the weirdest angle pair first. And this is the corresponding angles.
How is the corresponding angle weird?
The corresponding angles are weird because while they're on the same side of the transversal from each other, one is in the interior of the lines and one's in the exterior of the lines. All right, so these are going to be conditional statements and they're going to be kind of long, so bear with me as we write them all.
So it's going to be a lot like the names right here?
Yeah, exactly. They're going to be a lot like those names. All right, so we're going to do corresponding angles first.
Which don't make any sense to me.
If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then corresponding angles are congruent.
Mom,
Mhm.
you're gonna capitalize your keywords?
I am capitalizing my keywords, that way they stand out a little bit more.
Can I highlight them?
Do you want to highlight them? Okay, highlight my keywords.
I have no idea what they are. I'm just highlighting the ones in capital.
There we go. Don't
Any
go
others?
ham, that's it. So if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles have the same measure and they are congruent.
And don't forget the keywords.
All right, let's look at the next angle pair. The next angle pair are going to be alternate interior angles. The conditional is going to start out the same. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate keyword interior
Another keyword.
angles are congruent. So these are, oh my goodness, I wrote all of that. Wait, I wrote all that and I was totally not in frame. I'm so sorry. There we go. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, don't go ham, just one streak.
Oh.
Okay, if you hold it like that, the flat side, like that. Do it again.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh.
That's all right. So if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate interior angles are congruent. Pause the video now, make sure you have that written down.
But if you don't pause the video, then you should probably pause the video.
Welcome back. Let's go on to the next.
Welcome back if you pause the video.
Welcome back to the next pair of angles. These are the alternate exterior angles.
Sorry about any background noises over here. Those are just my mom's students in tutoring, as we are in school.
If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the alternate
Keyword.
exterior
Another keyword. And I found a
angles
penny.
are, bye, see you Monday, are congruent.
And congruent means it's like that.
Similar. Congruent kind of implies equal. It means that they have the same size and they're the same shape. So the measurements of these alternate exterior angles are going to be congruent.
So, okay.
We'll draw pictures in just a moment. Pause the video now, make sure you have this written down.
And if you don't, pause the video.
Let's go on. We have two more angle pairs to get through. And these are the same side angle pairs. We have the same side interior first.
So, same side interior sphere is same side.
Yeah, we're going to start off with the same sentence, and I'm going to write a little smaller on this one.
Why? Oh, less
So that way
space.
we take up less space. I only want to use one page for this. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then same side interior angles oops, I misspelled angles.
Derp.
Derp. They are supplementary.
And wait, you spelled same side.
Oops. I misspelled same. How did I do that?
Yeah.
Same side interior angles are supplementary. Do you know what supplementary means, sweetheart?
No, ma'am, mommy.
It means that when you add up their angle measures, you're going to get 180 degrees.
So it's like the number 180.
Yes.
Look, it's Leo.
Yes, it is. Thank you, Leo. Out of frame. Take a moment and pause the video now. Make sure that you have this updated.
And make sure you pause the video, because if you don't, then I don't know what to say.
Welcome back.
If you pause the video.
If you pause the video. We're going to look now at our last angle pair, the same side exterior angles. Like all the others, this conditional if-then statement is going to start off exactly the same. It's going to start off with if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal,
What's transversal?
then, oh, the transversal was the line that's intersecting these other two lines.
So, like this?
Kind of like that. She did a motion with her fingers kind of like that.
Yeah, like
Except
this.
there's two lines, so it's going to look something like that.
Ah!
Okay, so if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then same side exterior angles.
Can I highlight the keyword?
Of course you can. Let me finish writing them. Are supplementary.
What's supplementary?
Oh, you don't remember?
Nope.
Nope.
No, ma'am.
No, it means that when you add their angle measures, you're going to get 180.
Oh.
All right, highlight the keywords, please. Take a moment to pause the video now and update this part of your notes.
Wait. Hold on. Woo. Da, 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 da. Welcome back if you even paused the video.
Welcome back. Let's see this in action. So turn the page. Come with me on a brand new page of notes.
And maybe drawing.
Yeah, a little bit of drawing.
Yay! Can I draw?
Yes.
Yay!
You need a straight edge.
I know where to get that.
And so do you. So pause the video now and make sure you have a straight edge.
Yeah. If you have
Hurry!
If you have a protractor at home.
Well, if you don't have a protractor at home, the edge of your cell phone totally works.
Yeah. As long as you don't get pencil or pen writing on it.
Well, you know.
Accidents happen. I was screaming that across the room.
Yes,
wasn't I?
you were. Everyone heard you.
I'm sorry.
Let's set up for our first example. All right, I need you to draw with your straight edge, and I'll scoot over so you can come in.
Protractor.
Use your protractor. I want you to draw two parallel lines with a transversal.
So like this.
So one line there, and now another line parallel to that one. Oh, make it bigger, make it bigger. Come down over here. Put it even with that. There, now that it'll be parallel. Perfect, and now a transversal, so some line that's going to cut through it like that.
Right here.
Sure, do it.
Here.
Okay, go. Dale, dale, más, 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 más,
Eh.
más, más.
What
All
is that?
right.
What does that even mean?
Más means more.
Oh.
Más, 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 más.
I messed up that
It's okay.
line a bit.
It's all right. The important parts are here and here.
Yay. Should I highlight?
We are not going to highlight yet. We're going to actually write some numbers.
Ew.
All right.
I see.
So, we need to write some angle measures and some variables. Poop. Okay, so let's do this angle, angle theta. Remember that theta is our Greek letter for the TH sound. That's right. And we're going to use it to represent the measure of an angle that we don't know. Can you please give me an angle measure of 80 degrees?
So what?
Right here.
How do I do that?
Just write the number 80 right there.
Boop, 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 boop.
All right, so 80 degrees. All right, now looking at this, we can say, here's angle theta, and I'm going to start numbering angles. So this is angle number 1.
Can I number?
Angle number 2. Will you name this angle number 3?
Angle number 3.
You got to put the little angle symbol in front of it.
Oh, where?
Right in front of it. It's like a sideways V. Yeah. All right.
It's a heart.
It does look like a heart. This will be angle number 4.
Can I?
You turn it that way. Oh, look, she drew a heart for you.
Yay.
Very nice. Antsy heart. Okay, angle number 4.
And I hurt you, subscribers.
Angle number 4.
Oh, dirt me. Hold on. Boop, 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 boop. Da, 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 da.
Okay, angle number 4 is down there apparently. And give a angle number 5.
Wait, right here?
Wait, one of the angles, just number 5. Do it.
I wish there was an angle 7.
There will be.
Yay.
After you get through angle 6, that's not the right direction.
I can.
That's not how you write an angle. The little V goes first. It's like this. It's like this. Angle 5.
Oh, dirt me.
Derp, dude, try again. Angle 6.
Wait, here?
Sure.
Oh. Whoop.
And angle 7.
7.
An angle you haven't used yet. That one.
And angle 7.
And we're going to make theta be angle number 8. All right, so we have all of our angles labeled now, and we know that the measure of angle 8 is theta, something we don't know. And the measure of angle 6 is 80.
Can I zoom in on theta?
You can zoom in on theta.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, there's theta. What we're doing right now is we're going to list out a chart, and we are going to find the measures of all of these angles using the stuff from the page before. So, take a moment right now and list out the measures of all of these angles, 1 through 8.
That means pause, right?
Yes, pause.
Dot, dot, dot.
Not these kind of pause, okay? All right, welcome
Yeah.
back.
Not these kind
Not
of
those kind of pause. Okay, welcome back. Now, there's one more important piece of information that's missing that I haven't told you yet.
What is it?
I haven't told you that these lines were parallel. I asked you to draw them parallel, but unless we mark them with extra arrowheads like that, they're not parallel. So I've given you those extra arrowhead markings. We are now assured that they are indeed, in fact, 100% parallel. And now we can start using things.
Yay.
We're told that angle number 6 has a measure of what?
80 degrees.
80 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and write that down. Measure of angle 6 is 80 degrees. Now, which angle is corresponding to angle 6?
What's corresponding?
Corresponding angles are angles on the same side of the transversal. And so since 6 is on this side, the other angle is also going to be on this side.
So it's either number 2, number 3, or number 5.
Exactly. And since 6 is on the outside of the angles being intersected, the corresponding angle has to be on the inside.
And
So it's either 8
or 5.
or 5. Now there's a problem. It cannot be 5.
What?
Because that'll leave this line up here lonely. It's got to be in the party too. So one of the angles needs to be outside and the other one needs to be inside, but you have to have each angle touching a different line.
What about
So
angle
you're-
number 8?
So your corresponding angle is number 8, angle theta. And so since corresponding angles are congruent,
Angle theta.
what is the measure of angle 8? You're going to write it?
80 degrees.
Also 80 degrees. Lovely job.
80 degrees. I hold that.
Yes. All right. Now, whoa, too blurry. Whoa, too blurry. Whoa. Okay, let's stop playing with the zoomy thing because I'm starting to get seasick.
That me.
All right, what's the relationship between angle 6 and angle 2?
I don't know. What?
Well, they're on the same side of the transversal, and they're both on the outside of the lines being intersected, so they are same side exterior angles.
Okay.
And same side exterior angles are supplementary.
Supplementary is 180 degrees.
That's right, they're going to add up to 180.
Yes.
Angle number 6 is already 80, so how much more do you need to add to 80 to get to 180?
8.
Counting by tens.
10 more tens.
10 more tens, which is how many?
100.
100. So the
100
measure
more.
of angle 2 must be 100 degrees.
100 degrees.
And that's what you'll do in order to fill out the rest of these angle measures.
So count
Pause.
by tens, 100s.
You're going to find out whether the angles are supplementary or congruent. And you'll use the relationships of the angles that you already have to help you fill out the rest.
And I found a penny. Oh,
You're,
that's not on screen.
you're also able to find linear pairs.
What's linear?
Linear pairs are angles that form a straight line, such as angles 1 and 2.
So form a straight line like just an ordinary straight line.
So they're adjacent, and they form a straight line, such as these angles 7 and 5.
Cool.
Or these angles 5 and 6, or 2 and 8. They form linear pairs. Linear pairs are supplementary also. So they'll also add up to 180. You can also find vertical angles. These are angles that are directly across each other and touching at the vertex, like 2 and 3. So pause the video now and fill out the rest of these angle measures.
Wait, there's one question.
What's that question?
What's a vertex?
Oh, it's that point right there. Now, let them pause and let them do their work. Wait. Welcome back.
If you pause the video.
I'm sure they paused the video. All right, now the video is paused. Let's go ahead and do these really quick.
You mean unpause?
Unpause, that's right. Okay, so angle 8 is 80 degrees. Angle 8 is vertical to angle 1. So angle 1 is also 80 degrees.
Cool.
Angle 2 is 100 degrees and vertical to angle 3. So angle 3 is also 100 degrees.
Can I do the next two? 3?
Sure.
So
3 and 4 are corresponding, and corresponding angles are?
what was congruent?
Congruent, which means they have the what measures?
Same.
The same measures. And so since angle 3 is 100 degrees, what's the measure of angle 4?
100 degrees.
Awesome.
My hundreds are derpy.
That's okay.
Hold on.
Hold on, you put a comma in there. We don't know what happened.
Derp. Semicolon.
Angle 5 is alternate interior to angle 3.
So it's also 100 degrees.
And alternate interior angles are congruent, and so it is also 100 degrees. Are we done? Did we fill them all?
Nope.
Nope, we need angle number 7. Now you can get angle number 7 a bunch of different ways. You can say that it's a linear pair to number 4, which means it's supplementary. You can say it's same side interior to angle 3, which means it's supplementary. Or it's alternate interior to angle 8, which means it's congruent
To 80.
to 80. Or it is corresponding to angle 1, which means it's congruent to angle 1.
So that means it's 80.
There you go. Write it down.
So I hate 100 or 80?
No, 80. It's 80. That's what you said. Don't change your mind halfway through.
I just want to put a little slash in 100.
No, it's not 100.
It goes off the screen.
Yeah. Whoa. And there it is. That's what you'll be asked to do. And when we see you in class, we will play transversal Uno with an extra addition to handle parallel lines.
So, Mom, is this the end of the video?
It is. Will you outro us out, please, Leo?
Bye. Do the little line dance.
The little line.
Little line dance. Little line dance. Little line dance. Yeah, little line dance. Yeah.